We're off on a buggy to a bus to get an in bin. Sleep bus for the next 7 to 9 hours. Leaving Bangla, going to I am on the top bunk. Got Emily down there and Sophia down here. Off the bus after 9 hours and walking in this shitty, almost rainy weather to our hostel. No, thank you. Hello, welcome to my first day in Ninh Binh. I feel like shit. I can't breathe properly and I'm exhausted. And so I'm feeling a little bit sorry for myself, even though everywhere around me is so beautiful. Me, Em and Sophia are all gonna go do the 3-hour boat tour in Trang. So that's all I feel up for today because I can't be bothered to do any hiking. And I have planned out my dates for Hanoi and Hajiang Loop. So I'm feeling optimistic about that, but I'm just hoping that I feel better soon. But I'm not going to lie in my room because our dorm actually stinks and they're fully booked for the next 2 nights. So we've got to stay in our stinky little dorm and I'm not going to lie in there and feel sick and breathe in stinkiness. So anyways, I'm gonna get a more expensive hostel in Hanoi, I think, and treat myself for a little while. But I will enjoy the views here, and our hostel is so beautiful. I'll film it in just 1 second. It's the most insane views. I don't know if we'll be swimming because it's raining, and I think it's going to be raining every day. So yeah. Here to do the boat tour. It is gorgeous, of course, and I've taken my medication, so hopefully that'll kick in soon. Like, are you kidding me? We are just gonna be some more tourists. Alright, we've made it on the boat and we've got our own private boat, so we're stoked. Photo time. finally all checked out of my hostel in Ninh Binh. I have really not liked it, and I spent the whole day in bed yesterday with gastro. So I am exhausted. I've barely eaten anything, and I'm catching the 9:30 a.m. bus to Hanoi. I should get there at 12, and I paid a little bit extra for my hostel there, so I'm hoping it'll be nice. And this place is beautiful, but maybe just not for me. I'm really sad I didn't get to do the hike that I really wanted to do because I was sick with the cold and then sick with gastro. So I've had fun in Ninh Binh. Thank you, Ninh Binh, but I am very excited to go to somewhere different. So that'll be the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Not as exciting as other ones, but see you on the next one.